I am Suresh Chandra Shrivastava. Our today's topic of discussion is Noah Manu on Indus Sea. That past century, in year 1922, the excavation of site of Mohenjo-daro and Harappa were completed by Rakhal Das Banerjee, Vandopadhyay and John Marshall KM, the Director General, Archaeological Survey of India, those days. The one of seal collected from Mohenjo-daro, exhibiting a man seated here in yoke wearing a bull horn that on head as crown, surrounded with a rhino, buffalo, right side, that an elephant and a tiger, left a deer front. Two men are also seen stood. At top after man, hieroglyph are for ka, the structure of fishes for totem mats. Again, a droni is for boat. Two lines and indicate to 2 years the passing of deluge. The seal lead us review the versions of Avesta, Pentateuch and Purans in which Noah, that is Manu, has been said rescuer of drooping men and animals, the hour of deluge. Pentateuch uses word here Seth, the first dictum of Satyabrat Manu. Of Puran, Seth is also read on Stela year 400, collected from Tanis, which also referred to this deluge. Manu, Noah, is highly adorable among Hindus, Jews, Persians, Christians and Muslims, and stands behind etymology of man. Deluge is found narrated in Puran Bhagavat 8.24.11 to 61, 9.1.1 to 3, Vishnu Puran 3.1.8 to 34, Matsya chapter 1 and 2, Pentateuch Genesis 4.5 and 4.8. The Pentateuch and Avesta are silent about location of deluge and places of migration. Bhagavat Puran throw considerable light on migration in mythical style. According to the textual extract, the house totem of Manu, the whale fish, had pre-warned to Dravidadesh located Satyabrat Manu about coming deluge and had asked him to remain prepared, fabricating a boat to safe sail on towards cobra totem bearing Ahi, that is Ahaz of Patal, where Hayagriv lives. Here Aha indexes to early pharaohs, Patal to beyond sea land, and that Hayagriv for long-necked giraffes. Actually, Manu or Noah was shrine and academic chancellery. A man used to attain this title after succession. According to Pentateuch and Purans, he was seventh or eighth Manu or Noah. Satya or Seth, the deluge had caused havoc. The faculties of Manu chancellery were distributed from Gulf Manu, that is Manar, up to far north Indus coast, Taxila, Harappa, along Mohenjo-daro. Excavations revealed to those also gone devastated with deluge. Harappa is found stated as Haryupya in Rigved 6.27.5. The bull-horn shaped crown of Satyabratman, that is Pashupati seal, reflects to his Indra character. Indra and Vishnu were two important statuaries rank in ancient days. Indra was crown name of king, Vishnu was rank of chief of army and fort. Bull or bullhorn were symbolic of Indra. We see bullhorn on crown of Pharaoh. Also bull in ancient palaces of Iran. Symph, the lion at entrance of tunnel leading to sarcophagus chamber of Khafre Giza pyramid, fulfill to aim of Vishnu as explained above. In Sanskrit, Vish carry meaning entrance or protector of entrance. The rank of Indra became inferior after Vishnu acceded on Indra as per Purans Bhagavad 9.6.12, Vishnu Puran 4.2.32 to 33 to defeat Asuras. Mohenjo-daro is deformed pronunciation of Manu Deodhi, that is residential abode of Manu. The entrance examination of students were here performed. The chancellery was enjoying autonomy with cultivational land and attached villages to it to earn and feed lodge to students coming from international world. The Pashupati seal appears issued by Kakut or Kakustha, grandson of Satyabrat Manu, that is son of Ikshvaku, after revival from the deluge. His name is read on the seal. The seal appears issued after second year of his enthronement. I again insist this Pashpat seal be interpreted per view deluge narrated in Puran, Pentateuch and Avesta. Thanks for participation in this discussion. Comment, like and subscribe on my Facebook channel Shrivastava Suresh Chandra. Again, thanking you.